Look at that color. That's why I told you life is not perfect. Some might get burnt and some might be okay. Things I'll be using for today is, number one is bread. So depends on the kind of bread you buy, because some of the bread are too thin that when you try to turn it, it messes up. But anyway, I'm gonna be using bread. Definitely baking this time. This is just the bread that will be a grilled cheese that has stuff on the inside, which is bacon, egg. I'm gonna be using cheese and butter. This is my way of cracking the egg instead of using a spoon. So we're all done. Let's go fry this. So for my egg, I'll be putting a little bit of black pepper instead of using the hot pepper, because that's what my husband likes. But the kids, they don't like spicy, so I'm gonna put some black pepper. I'm gonna put Maggi. Not the whole thing, I'm just gonna do half. Or quarter. Let's do half. Put this back. I'm putting a pinch of salt. Salt for taste. You can also put tomato or red pepper or, onion. It's up to you. So since the kids are eating it, I'm trying not to, so they will be able to eat food today. So here we go. So since it's ready, let's go fry. So I put a little oil for my egg, and while I'm doing the egg, I'm gonna be doing the baking at the same time. Because I either cook my baking or I bake it. So, but for now, I'm gonna be doing my egg on this pan, and then I'll be doing my baking on the other one. Mind this has been here for like forever, so cooking the bacon as well. Careful so it doesn't burn at the bottom. Sizzling. So while that one is cooking, I'll be buttering the bread. For the bread, it's just one side of the bread. That's all you butter, no other side. So get a butter knife and let's don't mind my butter. We eat grilled cheese a lot, that's why. But just one side. And that's it. And then another one. And then another one. You continue until the whole bread is done. Since our egg is done, ooh, I like my eggs brown. So, but anyway, okay, that's it. We're gonna turn them down, turn off the light. They're sizzling up here. Hold on. Say thank you. Say thank you. I can use my hand in turning this, so I don't like the whole oil in there, so that's the African way. Oh no, it's burning. Oh, the light. Let me put the light on medium. Almost done. The bacon is done. We're moving on to grilling the cheese sandwich itself. So the pan is on medium high, so we're about to start the sandwich, grilled cheese sandwich itself. So remember, it's only on one side, and then you place them at the bottom. And then we're gonna put the cheese on top. So I know we're supposed to put at the store they have the square kind of cheese that is already cut for you, but me, I do the cheap way, so you can add the bacon first or you can add the egg. It's up to you. So there goes my egg. There goes the bacon. Your bacon, I know sometimes it burns, but guess what? That's life. Everything don't have to be perfect. Look at that. And then you put the next, like you put a little cheese on top as well, so it can hold the second bread. I know it looks like a lot of cheese. So the second bread, remember this part stays at top and this part stays at the bottom for this, and this stays at the top. So there's no butter on this side. So here we go. By now the bottom has been brown, so if you have to be careful because it burns quickly. I guess it depends on the stove you're using or gas or whatever. Let's turn the bottom. Look at that, look at that. Here goes the magic. So it's not done yet. See, it's still a little bit white. It has to be at least this brown before you take them out. But for right now, let's see. After the other side has browned a little bit, I'll turn it again so it browns all the way. So there it goes. That's one side done. I'm gonna turn the other side and y'all see what it looks like as well. That's it, guys, all done. So I'm gonna take them down and start another one. So this is it with just egg for my daughter. So I'm gonna put a little bit cheese at the top again. Said you don't take it like it's quick at burning, so you have to be careful. So this is the one with just the egg. So this is the one with just the egg and cheese. This is just the one with bacon, cheese, and egg. That's what it looks like on the inside. Put them together. And then we're making the one without egg or bacon, just by itself. Cheese only. So here we go. Let me turn it this way. That's it. So remember, there's no butter on this side. And then let it cook. Grilling time. Look at that color. That's why I told you life is not perfect. Some might get burnt and some might be okay. Depends on how hot the pan is or the fire or whatever. So I'm about to take this one down. So this is just the grilled cheese by itself. So it's done. Good. Good. Look at that color. So as you can see, I didn't put a lot of cheese because I know cheese, sometimes cheese is not, anyway, cheese is not good for you sometimes. So, but it's supposed to be, when you open it, it's supposed to draw. It's supposed to have that cheese draw kind of. But anyway, it's a family food, so I'm not putting too much cheese. So we don't be eating too much cheese. So this is the one with just cheese. And that's the grilled cheese sandwich you hear about all the time. And look at that color, beautiful. Guys, we're all done. So this is grilled cheese with bacon, egg, and cheese. This is grilled cheese without nothing but cheese. And this is grilled cheese with just eggs on the inside. So that's how you make your grilled cheese. The best 3 ways to make your grilled cheese. And look at those colors. Love it. All right, guys. I hope y'all like this video. Let me know what you think. And if there's any other way you make yours, you can also comment down below. I need honest answers as well, honest comments. You can as well subscribe if you like this video, like us, click the notification button so you'll be notified when we put a new video up. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a good day.